Wouldn't you say that the user experience in ERP is becoming increasingly important in order to remain competitive globally in the software market?
Yes, I definitely believe so. If you look at it, it's no longer about feature functions, it's about the total experience. And that's an area that I'm particularly passionate about. From the point of view of, yes, how does the customer interact with the software and what does the software give the customer? But also, what's the support they get from SYSPRO? What's the support they get from our partners? Is it all value add? People don't mind paying for a service so long as it's adding value. But when they feel it isn't adding value, that's when they object. On the other hand, one of my philosophies and approach is to empower the customer. And one of the ways of doing that is through the community preview.
Isn't it true that we're increasingly seeing in the UX, user experience, UI, user interface, what we're increasingly seeing is more of a collaborative sort of process? So what they call the consumerization of IT. Are we going to see more and more of that in ERP, which traditionally was seen as sometimes clunky, but now we're looking at nice, smooth interfacing?
Absolutely. The millennials have turned all of our lives upside down.
Absolutely.
And everyone wants it now, and the way I want it, where I am, and those are the millennials who are driving it. They also believe in self-help. And this is something that I really would like to make more available. A knowledge base, the education, empowering the customers to be certified in their particular fields. And yes, you're 100% right. It is all about that user experience in the way that they want it.